Hello, fellow makers and builders. Adam Savage here. In my workshop, precision isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. When you want parts to fit perfectly, you need more than a good design. You need a way to check your work. Enter the inspection drawing, the unsung hero that transforms a design into a reliable, functional part. It's not just paperwork, it's your blueprint for quality. Think of it as building your part twice. Once in the shop and once on paper, verifying every detail. Today, we'll break down how to create these crucial documents. Inspection drawings aren't about bureaucracy, they're about a mindset. Building is only half the battle. Verifying is the other half. These drawings guide inspectors, ensuring every critical feature is measured and every promise in the design is kept. The real satisfaction isn't just making a part. It's when that part fits, seals, and functions flawlessly. That perfection comes from defining perfect in measurable terms. We're translating design into measurement, so everyone, designer, machinist, inspector, speaks the same language. Grab your pen and let's get methodical. We'll break down the process step by step so you can see your parts and your process in a whole new light. Mastering inspection drawings makes you a better builder, planner, and problem solver. This is a workshop skill that pays off on every project. Let's get started. The blueprint for quality. So, what is an inspection drawing? It's a modified version of the manufacturing drawing, made specifically for quality control. It's not for the machinist, it's for the inspector, whose job is to confirm every requirement is met. Think of it as a recipe card, stripped down to just the steps you need to check. It highlights only the features that need to be verified, making the process clear and efficient. The inspection drawing acts as a contract between design and reality, calling out critical features with metaphorical flashing lights. It focuses inspection effort where it matters most, on the dimensions that make or break the part. It's a purpose-built document, an annotated print that tells the inspector what to check, in what order, and what the acceptable range is. Sometimes it even specifies the tools to use, making the process repeatable and reliable. Building a good inspection drawing is a craft, and it's your ultimate checklist for quality. Why go through all this effort? Inspection drawings save time, lots of it. Instead of hunting through complex drawings, inspectors get a clear, prioritized checklist. In production, every second saved adds up, and skilled inspectors spend time measuring, not deciphering. Inspection drawings also ensure function. Not all dimensions are equal, and the drawing highlights what's truly critical. This focus prevents wasted effort on non-essential features and ensures vital ones aren't missed. Reporting and traceability are streamlined too. Numbered balloons on the drawing correspond to rows in a spreadsheet, making it easy to record and review results. If a part fails, you know exactly which feature was out of spec. This data is invaluable for troubleshooting and proving your parts meet requirements. Ultimately, inspection drawings build a chain of evidence, a story of quality you can stand behind. They're not just paperwork, they're your insurance policy for success. Save time, save money, and save your sanity. That's why inspection drawings matter. Every great project starts with a solid foundation, the approved manufacturing drawing. Never use a draft or unapproved version. The master drawing is your single source of truth. It's been reviewed, checked, and signed off by engineering. Your job isn't to change it, but to build a user guide for the inspector on top of it. Always work from the latest, fully released revision. Make a copy. Never mark up the original. This copy becomes your canvas for highlights, balloons, and notes. Keep the original clean for manufacturing. Your marked up version is for inspection. Before you start, study the drawing, read the notes, understand the part's function, and check the title block for material and tolerances. Get inside the designer's head. What does this part do, and what does it interact with? This understanding will guide your decisions as you identify critical dimensions. Now, play detective. Identify the most important dimensions. Use color coding: red for critical, yellow for major, green for minor. Critical, red dimensions impact safety or function and require 100% inspection. Major, yellow dimensions affect fit or assembly, but aren't catastrophic if off. Sample these. Minor, green dimensions have loose tolerances and minimal impact. Check them only on first articles or process changes. This tiered approach keeps inspection efficient and focused. Prioritizing what matters is the key to effective quality control. With priorities set, it's time to add balloon numbers, unique identifiers for every dimension you'll inspect. Draw a circle around each and number them sequentially. This bubble drawing links the drawing to your inspection report, making navigation easy and unambiguous. Next, create the inspection table. List each balloon number, the dimension and tolerance, and leave space for the measured value. This table is often built in a spreadsheet and becomes the inspector's script. The balloon number connects the drawing to the data, ensuring nothing is missed. Organize the table logically, top to bottom, left to right. This structure makes inspection systematic and efficient. The table and bubble drawing together are the heart of your inspection plan. They turn a complex drawing into a clear, actionable checklist. Now, specify the inspection tools for each dimension in your table. The right tool ensures accurate, repeatable measurements. Micrometers for tight tolerances, calipers for general ones, CMMs for complex profiles. Standardizing tools removes guesswork and keeps results consistent. Next, review your plan with the team: design, production, and quality. The designer checks that you've captured critical features. Production ensures measurements are practical. Quality confirms clarity and tool choices. This collaborative review catches errors and builds consensus. Once everyone signs off, add a clear note. Inspection drawing for quality use only. Save, print, and issue it through your document control system. This prevents confusion and ensures the right people use the right document. Your inspection drawing is now live and ready for action. Teamwork and clear communication are your final quality checks. With everyone aligned, you're set up for success. That's how you build quality in from the start. That's the process. Start with the approved drawing. Make a copy, highlight priorities, add bubbles, build the table, specify tools, and review with the team. Inspection drawings turn complex designs into simple, actionable plans for quality. They save time, prevent errors, and build confidence into your process. Start simple. Try it on a small part, build the habit, and share the method. The more we verify, the better our work becomes. Inspection drawings aren't just paperwork, they're your blueprint for success. Take this method to your next project. Build, check, and improve. Make something great, and prove it's great. Now, go make something awesome.